Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Now install this app from this developer and open it. Now, thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about BLACKVIEW's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!